Are you looking for easy, comfortable living at a great price? Well, welcome to 578A Rio Grande Drive. This is just off of Patterson Road, and it is a great townhome, has great amenities, and it's easy, comfortable living. Let me show you. This home is a few years old, but it feels practically brand new because it's been so well cared for. It's just under 1,700 square feet. We're going to start right up front. This is the first of the 3 bedrooms that faces the front of the home, so you get that great natural light coming in here. Just a charming, comfortable space. Now we're going to go into the main part of the house with the living room, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful kitchen. I love the granite countertops. You have this nice island here. You could even fit more chairs around here if you wanted to. The light fixtures are lovely, and this is just a great space for cooking and for entertaining. And check out this pantry. Walk-in pantry with lots of shelves, lots of space. The current owner has a smaller table in here, but there is so much space. You could easily fit a big dining room table in here, and there's still space if you needed additional furniture, maybe a buffet or a sideboard here in your dining area as well. And all of this opens up into the living area, so you have that really open feel throughout this whole part of the home. A lot of space here too. You could put a bigger TV on this wall if you wanted to and arrange the furniture how you need it. We're going to head next into the primary suite. She has minimal furniture in here, but there's a lot of space if you need to add more furniture or large furniture. Great walk-in closet, and then check out the bathroom. There are granite countertops and dual sinks in the primary bathroom, and the shower has lovely tile floor to ceiling. The 3rd bedroom is currently being used as an office, but throw a bed in here and you have a perfect bedroom. And as we finish up the interior of this home, there's one more bathroom to show you, full bath with a tiled tub and shower, and those granite countertops with dual sinks. Heading outside, this is a great place to relax. I love this covered patio. It even has the ceiling fan, and these chairs have a perfect view of the Grand Mesa. You also have a fully fenced yard, and better yet, the HOA takes care of all of the landscaping for you, including snow removal, so you don't have to worry about that at all. This is a great home. For more information, give me a call at 970-985-8555 or visit kateporras.com.